Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best grilling baskets that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a backyard barbecue enthusiast or someone who loves grilling on camping trips, I've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Ivtifu Rolling Grill Baskets in a hexagonal design. This product is crafted with 304 stainless steel and features a polished finish, ensuring not just durability but also a sleek appearance. One standout feature is its removable wooden handle, which adds an extra layer of heat insulation and makes handling safer and more convenient. Additionally, the innovative nesting design allows the smaller basket to fit into the larger one. Optimizing storage space. A great feature for those who enjoy outdoor adventures or have limited kitchen storage. Performance-wise, the hexagonal shape allows for even cooking and makes flipping small items like shrimp or diced vegetables a breeze. Its compact nesting solution is perfect for portability, whether you're grilling in your backyard or on a camping trip. The food-grade stainless steel construction ensures that your meals are prepared in a safe and hygienic environment, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup quick and easy. However, its smaller capacity of 5.3 liters may not be ideal for large families or gatherings. Overall, the Ivtifu Rolling Grill Basket is a versatile choice for individuals who prioritize portability and storage. It's well-suited for campers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone working with limited space. The downside is its relatively small size, which may be limiting for larger meals. Still, it's a great pick for precise grilling with a touch of style. At number 4, we have the Vecino 3-pack grill basket set. This bundle includes one large basket measuring 13.7 by 11.8 by 2.4 inches and two smaller ones at 9.7 by 8 by 1.6 inches, making it a versatile option for simultaneous grilling of different foods. Made from thick, heavy-duty stainless steel, these baskets are designed to withstand high heat and resist rust, ensuring they hold up over multiple seasons of grilling. The raised edges prevent food from slipping out, while the perforated design allows for optimal heat and smoke circulation, giving your veggies and meats that signature barbecue flavor. What makes this set stand out is its practicality. The 3 different sizes let you organize your grill surface efficiently, ideal for serving an entire family or a group of friends. The wide, curved handles offer excellent grip and control, making it easier to maneuver the baskets on and off the grill. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since all 3 baskets are dishwasher safe. However, at a total weight of 3.63 pounds, the set is relatively heavy, which might make it less portable for camping trips. The Vecino Grill Basket Set is perfect for barbecue masters looking to grill multiple items at once without mixing flavors. It's a great choice for large gatherings or backyard parties. While its weight may not be ideal for travel, the durability and versatility of this set make it a valuable addition to your grilling arsenal. Taking the number 3 spot is the Shizo Grill Basket Set, a complete grilling solution that includes not just a grill basket, but also stainless steel skewers, a basting brush, and a portable carrying case. The basket itself is made of lightweight but durable stainless steel, making it easy to handle while still being rust-resistant. With dimensions of 12 by 9.5 by 1.5 inches, this basket has a deep grilling tray that allows you to cook meats and veggies simultaneously, making it ideal for multitasking grillers. The standout feature here is the long handle paired with a secure locking mechanism, which makes flipping your food easy and mess-free. The locking system ensures that your food stays securely in place, reducing the risk of anything falling into the flames. Whether you're grilling thick steaks, delicate fish, or even s'mores, this basket handles it all with ease. It's also dishwasher safe, which simplifies post-grill cleanup. The Shizo Grill Basket Set is a fantastic choice for those who want a multifunctional grilling accessory. With its lightweight design and included extras like skewers and a carrying case, it's perfect for outdoor cookouts and camping. However, the basket's size may feel limiting for larger quantities of food. Overall, This set offers great value for those looking to enhance their grilling experience with added convenience. At number 2, we have the veggies rolling grill baskets with their innovative cylindrical design. Crafted from 304 stainless steel, these baskets are built to last. Like its hexagonal sibling, it features a removable beechwood handle that provides excellent heat insulation and a comfortable grip. The nesting design allows the smaller basket to fit neatly inside the larger one, making it space efficient and perfect for travel or storage. The cylindrical shape of this basket is ideal for grilling smaller items such as shrimp, diced veggies, or even smaller chunks of meat. The even distribution of heat ensures perfect cooking results every time. Additionally, the design safeguards your food from falling through the grill grates, which can be a common problem with traditional grilling methods. It's also oven-safe and dishwasher-safe, making it versatile and easy to clean. This veggies model is great for those who value portability and space-saving features but need something with a little more capacity than the hexagonal version. While its 1.9-liter capacity might not be enough for larger gatherings, its thoughtful design and high-quality construction make it an excellent choice for small families or solo grillers. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Weber Deluxe Grilling Basket. This basket stands out for its simplicity, durability, and performance. Made entirely of high-quality stainless steel, it boasts a polished finish and a generously sized grilling area of 13.8 times 11.8 times 2.5 inches. This makes it perfect for preparing vegetables and smaller cuts of meat without worrying about food slipping through the grates. The Weber Deluxe Grilling Basket is compatible with all Weber Q300/3000 grills and larger, as well as 18-inch or larger charcoal grills, making it incredibly versatile. Its open design ensures even heat distribution while allowing the smoky barbecue flavor to infuse your food. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which means you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing. The Weber Deluxe Grilling Basket is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, straightforward grilling accessory. At $29.99, it offers excellent value for its quality and performance. While it lacks some of the bells and whistles of other baskets, such as removable handles or nesting designs, its solid construction and proven results make it the ultimate pick for grill enthusiasts of all levels. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.